This is take it off the gas, secure, turn off the water, take it off the gas here, and then take it off all the wire. Yeah, take it out. Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, I'm just going to go. I have an errand to run. Paulo said that he wanted to do both of them. Did you hear? Did he phone you?
Yeah. This one only. You
No.
see the dirt?
No, he just rang me. Paulo just rang me right now. He wants you to do both.
Both?
Yeah.
Okay.
He said he was going to ring you. He obviously didn't ring you. He's deadly. Jesus. That boy needs a secretary because he's really bad.
This one is bad.
Huh?
I can take a picture of everything for you, and I show you how it's dirt here, but it's still hot. I don't want touch too much hot. I want to be little bit cold.
Right, but are you going to be able to clean
Yeah,
it?
I can take it out this one, take it out already the gas, take it out this one, and need to clean up because too much rusted. And then everything I can clean, I can take a picture for you, and then I can show you when it's coming back. Or
Oh yeah, I won't be long. I'm only going down as far as the bank and back up again. And then he wants you to do this as well. He said he put them both in the same time.
Yep.
And he doesn't know why he never mentioned it before. Clean them.
Yep.
I see
Because that is dirt. It's time to clean up because when it's starting to stop because it's dirt, it's more expensive. Right?
Yeah, that's what he said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I asked him, is he going to tell you?
Yeah,
Or will I
okay.
tell you? And he said, no, I'm phoning he said, I'm phoning Joseph now. And I said, okay. But I just thought I would come down and let you know that he wants you to do both.
Yeah. Okay. No worries.
So this is the heating, is it?
This is hot water tank.
Or hot water. So what do you have to turn off? Then do you have to turn off?
No, this one is more easy. This one is the boiler is more hotter.
And is there anything that we can turn off for you for that now?
Yeah, I can turn. I already turned off there.
Or
And
you?
this one I can turn off too.
Okay.
No worries.
All
Okay,
right.
ma'am.
All right. So he said that. So I won't be that long, but I'll be back to you. Before.
Yeah. Okay.
You won't be going for a while, will you?
No. No.
No. So I'll see you. I don't want you to go like before I see you. But you
Yeah.
won't be going for a while.
No. No.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay. Thank you.
And the smell of gas.
Yeah.
Weird smell of gas.
No, already. There. Let's go. Everything is back here. That's good. Ayun, natanggal na natin siya. Ang buo. Ayan. Nakita niyo po ngayon kung gaano siya dumi. Yan na po ang dumi niya. Kailangan niya lang linisin. Okay, yan yung kalawa, yung sa tubig. Yan po, lilinisin natin yan. Okay guys. Thank you. Now, it's clean now. Now, I need to return everything. I return this one. I return the wire. I return the gas. I return this one from here. One by one, I need to return everything. This is the return. Now it's returned 1, 2, 3, 4 screw. It's done. Now all is done. Only need to clean up, right? That is a service for Viessmann. Now we start. Open the boiler, that one, and it's working again. Turn on the water. This one. You need to open this one to put high. Oh my. Yep. I think they came this one. Not 18. I'll put 18 only. Right? It'll be high. And then up again. Up. Now it's higher. Right? That's it. It's good. Now it's done everything. Okay. Thank you for watching.